Well, hey y'all, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing all right. Hey, we're fixing to go on a 2-week adventure. We're gonna go camping. We're gonna stop at like 3 different spots. The first place we're gonna stop at is for 2 days. It's in North Carolina, Lake Wiley, and then we're gonna leave from there and go to the Outer Banks in North Carolina, and then we're gonna leave from there and go to Virginia Beach. So I believe I'm gonna make this like a 3 video thing. I don't think I'll be able to put all 3 camping into one, but we got her all packed up, ready to go, and I mean, we're packed to the max. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, y'all, we're gonna get on the road and get this adventure started. Come on and enjoy. I know we're going to. Hey, buddy. How you doing? You eating some grass? Yeah. Well, good morning, everyone. Well, we made it up here to Lake Norman State Park. We got here late last night. On the way in, we saw about 4 deer, but I had just enough time to put the tent up. It's getting dark. It started to rain. Got the tent up, but she's gonna be retired after today. She leaked. We got waterboarded all night last night, and my wife bought something else for us to use on this trip. Let me go ahead and tell you, if you're looking into buying an Ozark Trail instant screen tent, I wouldn't waste my money on it. It says it's supposed to be able to be put up in 1 minute. When they pack the thing and you unpack it, it's inside out. So when you go to set it up, you got it inside out. So you got to take it back down and try to flip it over. Well, I flipped it over and it's all messed up, and that was last night. And that's what she looks like this morning. Still not put together. Can't figure out how it's twisted. So yeah, maybe things will be better today. Gotta go get a new tent, some air mattresses, and I'll see you at the water or when we go do something else. So, well, folks, there it is. We finally got it up. I had to take the screws out of the bottom of each thing so we could take the netting and put it where it's supposed to go. It was all twisted, and people at the manufacturer did it. So there we go. Well, earlier I told you we had to retire the TP tent. This is our new tent. We got a, what was it, queen?
Yeah.
Queen size air mattress, double thing. Pretty nice, easy setup. I'll give you a real quick overview of the campsite. It's real spacious, real quiet here. Got a really nice fire pit. We also went ahead and bought some more hammocks. And the tent came with the chair, or 2 chairs, 2 sleeping bags, and a little folded table right there. But wife also got me an early birthday present. I got a GoPro Hero 7 Black. Fixing to throw it on and walk down here and see if I can't catch some fish. So stay tuned for that. We're walking down this trail from the campsite down to the unofficial swimming area, so my little girl can go swimming. And I'm gonna see if it's any better fishing spot than what I found already. We're down here at the water. I'm gonna use a trusty old night crawler, see what I can catch right here. Seen a couple good spots on the way down here to catfish from here in a little bit. This might be one of them. I think it's shallow right here though. And it's fixing to start storming. Oh! So maybe it'll cause the fish to start biting. I'm gonna try to cast past some of this. Oh, they still trying to taking my bait. Sneaky little things. Every time I hook one, it goes under a freaking log. All right, got him. Check him out. Pretty good one, I guess. I mean, he got hooked twice. Oh, come on. Hey, I got him back. Not too bad. Now I just need to start keeping these and start catfishing. All right, so I'm up here at the camp and I'm gonna follow this trail down here to this little cove that comes in off of Norman Lake. Hopefully I'll be able to catch some bait and catch catfish. That last spot I was just at looked like a prime spot for flatheads. Hopefully I'll get one down here. And if it don't storm too bad, I might go back up there and try that spot for flatheads, but I believe I'm gonna get stuck there. I don't know. There's an awful lot of trees. Yeah, this spot that I'm going to, as you can see, is straight down from the campsite. All in all, this is a pretty good camping area. I mean, got a lot of hiking trails. Really nice, really quiet. Right now, I mean, it's the middle of the week. It's Wednesday. Ain't really nobody out. Not really heard that much boat traffic on the lake. So, well, there's the water. We're almost there. If I can get down here without falling. Oh. Without getting everything stuck. Oh. Okay. Well, I'm down here. Oh. Let me get everything set up. And we'll start fishing. Okay, so I found this sandy beach over here. I'm gonna cast out, try to catch some bait fish. There's the first one now. And we just sit back and wait. Try to catch another bait fish.
Oh, look, a big fish. Oh, that's a big fish. I think it's a catfish.
Yep.
Oh, it's still alive. Catfish. What kind of fish is it? It's a catfish.
The channel cat, I think. Oh.
Do you vlog about fish?
Yeah. Oh, that's a blue cat.
That's good fish, eh? It's a lot of meat there.
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
You do? See, I told you he was a fish YouTuber, man.
What is this?
Crazy Cat Fishing.
Told you.
You can smell
That's little. You want to touch it?
You touch it? Just touch it, okay?
You're gonna bite?
No, I got him by the mouth. He's slimy.
Yeah, touch it so you can feel.
What? Just a sunfish. Cut.
Right now you got a different fish. Kinda. Is it a catfish?
Yeah.
Are you gonna let it go? Do you let the fish go?
Yep.
You don't need to touch it?
Yeah, there's a
I was about to move spots. Well, folks, I was about to move and I went to reel it in and
Might be the same catfish or something.
I thought I was hung at first.
What is it?
It's just my bait.
Fish. Small fish. Well, what kind of fish is that?
That's the one I caught earlier. I used him for bait.
Oh. Does they fall for it?
Huh?
Do they fall for it?
That's what they eat, is other fish.
Oh, small fish?
Yeah, as big as they can get in their mouth. No.
No, but they bite pretty hard.
Yeah, they do. So there was a storm come through. It ran me out of the hole. I went back to camp. It blew by. I started the fire for dinner, and now I'm back down here. I'm on another point. That island right out there, my daughter is only like 3.5 foot tall, and she can walk almost to that island. But there's a cove that cuts back this way, and one that comes back that way. I caught that one earlier over there. But I figured since this is so shallow, it's got to get kind of deep right in here. We're going to cast straight out once I catch some bait. So stay tuned. I've only got one little piece of sunfish head. And throw it on here and try to catch some more. Sitting around the fire relaxing. Got a long, another 5-hour trip tomorrow and get to the ocean. Well, good morning, people. We're packing up, getting ready to head to the Outer Banks in North Carolina. This trip was okay. We first got here, seen those deer, and then trying to set up that screen right there was a pain in the butt, and it rained, and then the tent started leaking on us. Then caught that blue cat, and then last night we had a visitor, a raccoon. He kept getting inside the screen tent and trying to get to our food, and he just kept coming back. He wasn't scared of us. So woke up this morning. He apparently knows how to open coolers, because he ate 2 packs of meat and half a bag of cheese. And then I found out he got in my tackle box and took my gulp minnows and all my plastics. He had all kinds of stuff pulled out of my tackle box, so there ain't no telling what all exactly he got. But all in all, I mean, it was a good trip. So I'm gonna get off here, quit yakking, start packing. And we'll see you at the next spot. Alligator River in North Carolina.
What's alligators in the water?
It looks more like an ocean inlet than it does a river.
But it does have alligators in the water.
Croatian Sound. Coming up to Roanoke Island. Beautiful sunrise. Bad surf today. Need to go get my fish poles. See if I can't catch something in this. First I gotta go get some bait. Well, I gotta get bait. Got these things. Well, good morning, y'all. We made it to the campsite last night. Got everything set up. As soon as we pulled in here, we got a warning. There was a tropical storm possible for a hurricane going to hit Florida today. So but here's our campsite. It ain't very much.
And it's very small.
Yep, it's small. Our tent's over there under that tree. And we just got done eating eggs and bacon for breakfast. I'll take you for a look around here in a little while and try to go catch some fish if I can. So I'll see you in a few seconds. We're on the boardwalk headed to the beach. It's a pretty cool little boardwalk. It's real shady right here at the beginning, and then it opens up. Once we get over here, over this dune, You might not be able to hear me. I don't know. I don't know how well this... Oh! Because it's really loud. And I just stumped my toe.
What are you name here, Mal?
Yeah, check them out. Walking in this deep sand will wear you out quick. Yeah, here's that big sand dune. And last night it looked a lot higher. The view from either side is awesome. Looking back behind us, we're looking over the ocean. Here we go, get ready for an awesome view, y'all. If I can get up this hill. Oh. There she be, the Atlantic. Check out this dune. Did you make it?
Someone made that.
Yeah. Check out these dunes, y'all. I think this is cool. You go down there, you might not get back out, Kiki. I'm gonna first start off with this paddle tail, and then if I don't catch nothing after a few minutes, I'm gonna switch over to something else. We got some power bait and gulp minnows and gulp saltwater bait that I'm gonna try out. Oh, all right, here is the beach.
Got some.
I don't know if you can see them, there's vehicles, see? You can see the tire tracks where people drive through here. For a shot. Look at them waves, boy. Woo, cold. Man, it really ain't that cold. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just out here casting, trying to catch fish. Yeah, it's bad. I mean, standing this close, it's trying to pull me back in. I can cast out that way. By the time I get it reeled in, it's already down here. Of course, casting it, my lure goes flying that direction. try to retrieve it a little bit slower. Maybe that'll. Oh, look at that big old wave out there. Oh my goodness. Get ready for a big wave. Big wave. Alright, I switched over. I put 2 teardrop weights, which I know ain't gonna be enough. A swivel with a leader down to it's a crab. Let's see, where's it at? Gulp. Power crab, I think is what it says. Alright, let's see if we can do any good this time with this. I think I'm actually going to have to go over to the sound on the other side of the island to actually catch fish. We're gonna find out though. Well, that's some strong current. Alright, so we ran into town for a few minutes. I went and got some bait. I went and got 2 of these, whatever these things are. I'm not sure. Got some squid, got some finger mullet, and some fresh shrimp. So we're gonna head back down to the beach to do some fishing. And I put about a 6-inch leader, metal leader, steel leader on both of my poles, so that way I don't get chomped off. So I'll see you down there. I'm gonna attempt this one more time. Put that one with the 2-ounce weight out there. It just washed it right up on shore. I'm gonna try with this one. It's got a 3-ounce weight. Fixing to be a hurricane. Well, good morning everyone. I thought I'd take a minute to show you a little more of the campground. This right here is one of the bathrooms, and that over there is one of the shower houses. It only has cold water. it ain't real cold, but they don't have any warm water. The campsites themselves are actually in dunes, which is pretty cool, I think. And all the campsites have 40-foot paved pads. You can only have a 40-foot rig if you're a camper or an RV. Most of them have a picnic table and a barbecue grill. It's the only campground I've ever been to that you can't have a fire in, but you can use gas or charcoal to cook on. You can get a free permit to build a fire on the beach. As much wind as there is around here, I can see why they don't want you having a fire up here, because there's a lot of dead grass, dry grass. But yeah, we were supposed, this is Saturday morning, we were supposed to stay here until Sunday, but there's supposed to be, or Monday I mean, so we've been here for 2 nights, and there's a hurricane coming. It's supposed to come right up by this way, supposed to hit here by Tuesday, I think. We still have 1 more week of vacation left. We're gonna go ahead and pack up today and leave out so we can beat most of the people leaving, getting away from the hurricane. We're gonna go on up to Virginia Beach and finish out our vacation there, and hopefully the hurricane will turn and go away from us. But if not, I've got a cousin that lives right there that we can stay with if it gets too bad. But all in all, this has been a pretty good camping experience. Got to play in the ocean, got to try to catch some fish. But I tell you what, because of that hurricane, the surf and the wind down at the beach was so bad that I had on 6-ounce weights and casting it out, and within just a few seconds it was already back up on the beach. So, and my poles ain't designed to cast 6 ounces. There, I think the most they're supposed to cast is like 1 ounce or something like that. But yeah, so fishing didn't go as planned. So I'm back at the campsite, and we're gonna get packed up after we eat something, and I'll see you in Virginia Beach.